Hey everyone, it's Roy here from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with a quick unboxing and first impressions video on the Benfei 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. I'm always on the lookout for new and unique accessories, and this one hits a couple of different checkboxes, and I'm excited to be able to try it out today. The first thing is, it is a wireless charger. I love wireless charging, and I have it all over my house. I have about 1 million different wireless chargers, and I'm always looking for new ones. This one also has the option where it supports both USB-A and USB-C. You can see here on the picture it's got a little adapter there. I'm excited to see if it's able to deliver the 15-watt charging speed with both of those options here today. And then packaging it all up, it comes in a nice little aluminum frame that we're going to be checking out here in just a second. Helping me with my review here today, we've got a Anker charging station. This is the Anker 9-in-1 charging station. It's capable of putting out 100 watts, so it should be more than capable of supporting the 15 watts that this MagSafe charger does. And I also have here with me my Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro does not support MagSafe charging out of the box. However, I have done several videos where I have shown off different cases that do support MagSafe charging. This here is the Nilkin case, and it's one of the cases I've had the best luck with. So we're going to be using all three of these things here in this video today. I'm going to set these off to the side for just a second so we can open this up. No instructions, nothing extra, just the charger here that'll get us going right away. So first things that I notice is that this looks like it's a very long cable, and that is a extra perk right away. Stretch this out, see how far we get. I had to take it off camera there for a second to get it lined up on my tape measure, but as you can see here, this thing comes out to just a little bit over 5 feet in length. Let's go ahead and grab that cord, get to the end of it here. We're going to plug that in. We're going to go ahead and we're going to plug it in with the USB-C one first. Just USB-C typically tends to support higher charging speeds. Plug that in. Let's see how that works. So it connects right away, started charging. Let's go ahead and disconnect it. Pull up Ampere, and let's see what kind of charging speeds it gets us. So as you can see, there are a couple of different tries. I've disconnected and reconnected, and I was getting a consistent thing, almost 2,000 milliamp per hour there. That is a fairly good speed, and that's pretty comparable to what I've seen with other cases, as well as with other MagSafe chargers. So let's go ahead and let's switch it over to the USB-A option here. And in theory, we should see the same speeds as we did before. So it seems to be having some problems when I'm using it with the USB-A here. I'm going to give it a couple of tries and see if we are able to pin that down. So I'm not sure what's going on there. The USB-A adapter does seem to be causing a couple of issues there. It wasn't able to get a consistent charge. I don't know if I've just got a faulty unit here or something. I am definitely going to be reaching out to the company and seeing if they have any insights on that. So now that we've gone through and we've run a couple of different charge cycles, we've tried it a couple different ways with the USB-C, we've tried it with the USB-C to USB-A adapter, I would have to say that this one's kind of a mixed bag for me. I really want to recommend this. And the biggest reason I want to recommend this is because it's $10. It's really hard to find a good MagSafe charger for $10. And now with that being said, I really like the idea of the USB-A adapter. Not everybody has USB-C chargers available to them. I like the idea of having the flexibility of that USB-A adapter. However, I just don't know if this USB-A adapter has the capability to be able to support the speeds that we need it to. So I know I've rambled a little bit, and this video has gone a little bit longer than I meant it to. Having that USB-A adapter not work quite the way that I thought it was supposed to is kind of throwing me off a little bit here. But if I were to give you my final impressions, my recommendations, I would have to say I probably do recommend this charger. For $10, you're getting a charger that offers charging speeds that match or exceed other much more expensive chargers. So would I recommend it? I would have to say yes, just don't use the USB-A adapter for now. So all in all, I definitely think it's worth checking out, and I'll have a link in the description down below where you can find one for yourselves. If you guys have any questions or anything that you think I can try, maybe something that I missed, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll reply as soon as I'm available. If you guys have enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.